For over 450 years, chocolate-covered pretzels like us have been a confectionery staple for people of all ages.
Bringing satisfying, salty, and sweet flavors, chocolate-covered pretzels are a household favorite, with an estimated $1.4 billion spent each year on the dessert. However, a lot goes into the production of your favorite snack.
Today, we'll be showing you the life of an internationally celebrated Flip's chocolate-covered pretzel. I am Salty Sue.
And I'm Toasty Tom.
And we are the Platus Pretzels.
The process begins in a manufacturing plant called Platus Global in the bakery. Our homemade flour-based dough is crafted and then placed in a machine that shapes it into that pretzel shape that we all know and love.
The dough is spat out on a conveyor belt that takes the pretzels through an oven and salts them. Be careful, that oven is over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After drying, the pretzels go off to be coated in a delicious chocolate drizzle of all sorts. The pretzels are then cooled, hardening the chocolate. Yum!
Hi, I'm Andrea Brown. I'm the HR coordinator here at Platus, and I love my job, love working with people, love being able to help people grow, develop, kind of, map out their career paths or whatnot.
The making of the pretzels is now complete.
And it's almost time for hungry people like you to enjoy the product. But first, one very important step must be taken: the packaging.
The pretzels are released onto a large scale that measures their weight and makes sure that every bag is the same to the gram. Then the fresh pretzels are put into the trademark Flip's bags.
Hi, my name's Greg Wright.
Hi, I'm Michael Schuylkill.
Warehousing, cooking, had my own restaurant for a couple of years. So I've seen the food process from the start in the manufacturing, where everything's raw materials and then finished goods, shipped through the warehousing, third-party logistics to the restaurants, and actually cooking the food and putting it on a plate and serving to the customers.
And you go home. There's a little more to it. We're constantly educating everyone, training them on new techniques, whether it's food safety or better ways of manufacturing. We're always trying to improve our efficiencies.
Wow, what a process!
Sure is. Flip's pretzels aren't made by magic, but by our thoughtful employees and hard work.
Because here at Platus Global, we promise you not just a wonderful product,
but happiness in every bite.